Every music producer out there is constantly on the hunt for new plugins. Am I right or am I right? But most plugins cost a lot of money, but it doesn't have to be this way. There's a ton of amazing plugins out there that are not only free but also deliver value. And we still have a lot to cover, so welcome to the best free plugins out there. So sit back and enjoy. Let's get started. Graillon is a pitch correction plugin that is an awesome tool for auto-tune and enhancing your vocals in general. Pitch shifting, format shifting, and pitch correction corrects your vocals the way you need them. Graillon also comes with some built-in effects like compression, chorus, or a bit crusher. This plugin has two versions and the free version already offers you a lot. Or let's better say offers you everything you need if you're after an amazing auto-tune tool. And for all the other features the Pro version offers, there are other free plugins that you can use. For example, iZotope's Vocal Doubler, which I showed in my last video. Valhalla definitely offers some of the best reverb plugins that exist. And Valhalla Supermassive is definitely unmatched when it comes to free reverb effects. But there's also another free Valhalla plugin, Valhalla Frequency Echo. And this plugin is one of the best when it comes to echo and delay. It's a frequency shifter combined with an analog style echo. The UI is pretty straightforward. You can shift your delay with high and low cut and set the delay time, and you even have feedback control. So you have a lot of control over style and shape of your delay itself. And that is exactly what makes it so powerful. Valhalla Frequency Echo is a must-have plugin and it's free, which is, when we think about it, what you get, ridiculous. So you have nothing to lose. The next plugin is a very useful tool in the mixing and mastering process. I'm talking about BX Solo. This one lets you listen and therefore monitor your signals isolated. So the left signal alone, the right signal alone, mono mids and stereo difference. A tiny little plugin with a huge effect if you use the information you get the right way. So listen carefully when you use it. It's a plugin that was more or less produced coincidentally out of necessity, and now it's a free plugin for everybody. Epic win. And now it's time for some honorable mentions. First up, Saturation Knob. And yeah, it is and does exactly what the name promises. This one is a free and powerful saturation plugin with one knob. This means it is really easy to use and it comes with 3 different modes depending on the level of saturation you're aiming for. It cannot compare with paid saturation plugins, but it does its job. Very good and for free. And now the second honorable mention isn't a plugin, but an integration of Splice into your DAW, Splice Bridge. And if you don't use it yet, it will be a game changer. Because you can play and preview every sound on Splice directly in your project and therefore test a lot of sounds before you buy it. It also syncs with the tempo of your project. Testing drum shots has never been this easy. And that's it, part number 4 of the best free plugins out there. If you want more, no problem, I linked all the previous videos of the series in the info section down below. And if you liked this video, please give thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. Every bit of support is helping me to make videos like this. I post a lot of videos on music production, plugins, tutorials, and also my own music if you want to check it out. So yeah, let me know in the comments which is your favorite free or paid plugin. And until then, have an amazing day or night and see you soon.